Hello, welcome back again. This is Etin at Rigo Real Estate and all social media. Follow me, Etin Real Estate. Interest rate. When I'm talking about interest rate today, interest rate have dropped. It's continuing to be dropping. So if you are sitting on a high interest rate right now, it's better off for you to refinance. Okay? How do you know when do you refinance? How do you know that it makes sense for you to refinance if you're having a high interest rate? Anytime your current interest rate that you have on your mortgage or your house, right, is 2% higher than what you can get today, that is time for you to refinance. Even if you have to break the mortgage, yes. Even if you have to break the mortgage, as long as you are 2% higher than what you can get in the market today, it's worth it for you to break it. Because when you factor in the breaking fee, you will find out that at least 1% covers that over 5 years, right? So when you break in two, don't break a 2-year mortgage and go and get a 2-year mortgage. No. You break a 2-year mortgage, go and get a 5-year mortgage. You break a 1-year mortgage, go and get a 5-year mortgage. You break a 3-year-old mortgage, go and get a 5-year mortgage. The reason is that especially if you pay penalty, if there's a penalty involved when you broke that mortgage, what it does is that it gives you opportunity to that savings that you're going to save for breaking the mortgage and paying the penalty. It gives you time for you to recover. So if you spend $10,000 or $6,000 for a penalty on a mortgage, you don't just want to get a 1-year mortgage. Guess what? You might not even recover that in 1 year, that penalty. But if you have a 5-year mortgage, now you have opportunity to recover multiple times. So that is what you do. Break mortgage, that is at least 2% difference in interest rate. So, for example, if your current mortgage is 6%, and out there, right now, you can get 4%, absolutely break it. If your current mortgage is 6 and you can get only 5%, don't break it yet. Hold on. Now, if there's no penalty to break it, then you can break it. But if there's penalty involved, do not wait till it's 2% difference. Okay? Even 1.5, don't do it. Wait 2% difference. So that is how you know when do I break a mortgage. Because I got those questions a lot. People asking, when do I break my mortgage? How do I know when is the right time? Does it worth it? And also, to be honest, can also actually do the calculation too and put it down and see the amortization and everything you put it in, you plug it in, you can see the difference, the savings. Then you can determine, does it worth it? I've seen situations whereby a client came to me, they want to break their mortgage, they want to refinance. When I did the numbers, I realized that it doesn't worth it for them to break their mortgage because the penalty was so much and they're going to pay so much out. So, and the difference in the interest rate is not that much. I just said, you know what, hang in there, maybe another 6 months, 1 more year, let the interest rate drop further. Okay? And again, the longer you wait, that means the penalty will also be reducing too. Some companies, once you are into your last year, they hardly charge you any penalty. Some of them will still charge you, but some of them don't. So talk to your lender, talk to your bank, find out exactly about your mortgage, be familiar with your mortgage. Don't be a stranger to your mortgage. Be familiar to your mortgage terms, and if you can't figure it out, give them a call, give the bank a call, and ask them that question. Or you can reach out to me as well. If you send me your commitment or your mortgage contract, I can be able to review it with you and let you know what you can do or what you cannot do, or if it makes sense breaking the mortgage or not. So again, get yourself prepared, always get your credit. Make sure your credit is always good. You can have all the equity and whatever high interest rate you want to refinance or not. If your credit is not that good, you most likely not gonna get a good deal out there. Your rate that you get is based on a lot of factors, but majority of the factors are, again, credit score. You have to have a very good credit score, or else you cannot do it. You get a good rate out there, so you get stuck with a higher rate, which doesn't make sense. So interest rates are coming down. Get your credits together. Credits can fall overnight, and we also can also rise overnight. So all is about money. If you pay your bills on time, keep your usage, under 50% or less, you're gonna have a good credit. If you already overutilized, once you pay it down, there's also a strategy whereby we can also teach you. Come to me, reach out to me, how to boost it up quickly. If you need to boost your credit up and you need to refinance, so we can put you on a program whereby, within 3 months, we can boost that credit up. If we have to get you, a loan that's not going to show up in your credit bureau, so you can pay it off and get you up there. So all those things we can do. So reach out to me on our social media, Etin Real Estate, Inc., Etin Rigo, however you're going to reach out to me. I'm always available. You can send me a message. You can even call me, and we'll tell your questions. Okay? Nice talking to you. Again, be good. Subscribe, hit notification, and recommend and share with your friends and family. Thank you.